What's cooking, good looking? No, I'm talking about you, not me. If you've ever seen the Avatar, you'll know my girl, yes, my girl, Azul, was not only bad but an elite calisthenic athlete. When she was having a sibling duel with Zuko, she saved herself with this one move right here. She got planche power before it was even considered planche power. So I'm going to be talking about highlighting the bent arm planche without even putting any effort into it. Now this isn't one of those get rich quick schemes. If you want to learn the bent arm planche, you got to take your daily dose of consistency and discipline, because that's the only way to do it. So I learned the bent arm planche through the handstand push-up variations. Once I learned the handstand push-up, I was able to do the bent arm planche. Handstand push-up wall or negatives. If you decide to do negatives, you just drop your legs down at the bottom. Push your body back up during the concentric. A lot of people don't talk about how range of motion is important during strength development. If you only work the eccentric, you only get good at the eccentric portion. So incorporate exercises such as the handstand push-up wall variation, or just handstand push-up negatives, and then dropping your legs down, as well as doing elevated pipe push-ups, and then some bent arm variation just to speed up your progression with the bent arm planche. So you can first off doing these exercises one at a time, starting off with your bent arm holds, doing whatever variation that you can do, because that's the most important. Then you get onto the handstand wall negatives. Then you can go do pipe push-ups elevated at the end. And once you get good, you can just do a Street Fighter combo of these exercises one after the other. And I know a lot of people think that pseudo planche push-ups are the best exercise when it comes to learning this exercise. And it's not a bad one. If you want to do that, you can do that. But this is just what I saw the most progress with. So if you only took one thing from this video, it's that the best girls know how to do the bent arm planche. Like my girl, Azula. And now make sure you guys do the handstand push-up variations. And whatever you do, don't hurt your gains.